monkey was scared. Turned the camera on and walked away. Tang Kuan Hill. Open daily from 9 to 5:30. Tang Kuan Hill lift station. Welcome to Tang Kuan Hill. So apparently when we get up there you can see seas from both sides. I'm not sure if it's a sea in the lake or what. The lift is going to take us up this ramp going up to the top, and it's 2,000 feet up.
Yeah, top of the hill can see Songkhla view.
Songkhla is the lake.
Songkhla Lake and Gulf of Thailand.
The Gulf of Thailand. Okay. Oh, we have made it to the top. Play cup.
วิวสวยมากๆเลย Very good view เอาถ่ายรูปให้เอาถ่ายยูทูบบ้าง
It looks like there's multiple viewing points. You can go down there to get some viewing. I'm not sure of what. We'll look. Soy. Okay, the Gulf of Thailand on this side here. And Songkhla Lake on this side. I'm really curious what's down there, so I'm gonna have to look if they'll let us.
This
Gulf of Thailand. Gulf of Thailand.
Yeah, Gulf of Thailand. This is อันนั้นเป็นอะไรที่เราข้ามไปเมื่อวานใช่ไหม
ใช่อะเมื่อวานนี่ใช่มั้ยเมื่อวานนี่เกาะยอ
หลวงปู่
Be happy for what you have and
Yes.
satisfied with what you get.
Very good point
Live each day as it were, as if there was no tomorrow. A few of the letters were missing.
Good poem Be happy for what ดีเลยใช้ได้
Beautiful up here. I believe this is as far south as we're going to go. The places we wanted to visit, that are a little farther south are closed. And I don't know if they're closed for repairs or seasonal or what the deal is, but I know there was a skywalk and 3 or 4 things that all of them are closed. It says temporarily closed. So this will have to be the end of our southern trip for now. But we have a lot to see going back north that we didn't stop at on the way. Well, the stairs go up. Let's just go on up. Very tall steps. Thai flag has about had it. See the lighthouse. And Jai down below. Tang Kuan Hilltop, Songkhla City. Songkhla City. Tang Kuan Hilltop. I'll get a better view of that when I go back down. This is the highest level here. See, they have a big arena over there. Looks like the ocean is a little bit on the rough side today. It's churned up a bit. I see white caps. Here's a little bit closer look at the sign up here. Tang Kuan Hilltop, Songkhla City, Thailand. Oh, there's an access point to get into the lighthouse. Big old padlock on it. There's my princess is up here on the mountain.
Tang Kuan Hill.
From down here at this one you get a good view of the Gulf of Thailand. Look at the waves down there. You can see some of the beach too. I don't see anybody down here. Then over there, Songkhla Lake. Let's see what else is in this place. Oh, we got a soy dog. Hello, soy dog. Hello. Everything's locked up down here. Oh, this viewpoint here, you get a good view of the Songkhla City and Songkhla Lake. It looks like there were some piers out there in the day, and the piers are gone. To do with the dogs. They're running from the dogs. This is the lift that comes up from the bottom way down there. It's too bad it's all enclosed. You can't see anything outside. It would have been a nice view. I want to thank you for joining us today on our trip to Tang Kuan Hill in Songkhla Village, Thailand. We're to the not totally to the southern end of Thailand, but getting close to it. Have the Gulf of Thailand behind us. Anyhow, if you like our content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.
We're out.